Hi, click on the three dots on the right hand side and then copy the download link. Next is to go to Google and type in fdown.net, like fdown.net. Wait patiently for it to load depending on your network. Mine is a bit slow. Then in the box that says enter Facebook video link, paste the link you copied from Facebook and then click on download on the right hand side. Wait for it to load. Okay, so you can see a preview of the video you want to download. Click on the download video button. Now you can see your video is downloading. Click on open to view your video. Finally, your video is in your gallery. Please do not forget to follow this page. Thank you.